Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish without oil. To begin, consider healthy cooking methods like baking, steaming, or air frying. These techniques are excellent for retaining the fish's natural moisture and flavor without needing added fats. Using parchment paper or foil is also a great tip, as it prevents sticking and makes cleanup much easier, ensuring a smooth cooking experience. Baking is a fantastic oil-free option. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F for even cooking. Season your fish with your favorite herbs and spices, then place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Thicker fillets might need a few extra minutes, so always check for doneness. Steaming is another excellent way to cook fish without oil, resulting in incredibly tender and moist results. Place your seasoned fish in a steamer basket over simmering water or broth. Cover and steam for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. This method locks in nutrients and keeps the fish delicate, perfect for a light meal. For a crispy texture without oil, the air fryer is your best friend. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees F. Place your fish fillets in the basket, ensuring they are in a single layer. Air fry for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and flaky. This method gives you that satisfying crunch. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, find the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.